Hi guys, this is Niclas Huschenbeth, and today I would like to show you what is arguably the most difficult mate-in-one problem that is out there, that exists. So let's see what the position is. Of course, it is a completely composed position. It did not happen in a normal game, as you probably might have guessed, with 4 queens on the board and the pieces completely in weird spots. And 3 dark squared bishops and 4 light squared bishops for black. So, okay, we need a moment to first comprehend what is even happening on the board. One tip I want to give you: the pawns move in this direction and this pawn moves in this direction. Other than that, there are no more pawns on the board, but that might be important to know. And yeah, white checkmates in one move. I mean, mate in one. You should be able to figure it out, right? So, well, I would say you take up the challenge and try to see if you can find it. And you can find the checkmate. When you're ready, I'm ready. I actually remember solving this a long time ago, but it also took me a while. What makes it so difficult is, of course, for once, all these pieces, and it's very confusing, and for the other, there are so many checks that you can give, right? There's so many checks that you can give in this position, but only one check, that is a checkmate. Alright, I could now show all the moves that give a check but are not checkmate, but okay, I think you can also figure it out yourself if your move is not the move that I'm showing right now, which is queen to a3. That's the checkmate. So if you found this move, you can pat yourself on the back. Well, let's see. Why is this checkmate? Well, this queen is pinned by the rook, so it cannot go in between. And well, other than that, what to say? All the other squares are covered for the king. D8 is covered by the queen. F8, okay, it doesn't work anyway. F7 is covered twice. F6 is covered by this queen as well. And E6 is covered by the knight and the bishop. So that's it. Queen A3, no piece can come in between. And it is a checkmate. By the way, I forgot to mention, this was composed by Kubbel. Kubbel was very renowned, or is a very renowned study. He composed a lot of studies or chess problems like this one and made really, really good problems. So this is his mate-in-one composition, and a tough one indeed. So let me know in the comments, could you see it? Could you figure it out? Or, well, if you had another move in mind and you just cannot see why it doesn't checkmate, you can also ask about that, of course. Okay, so that's it for today, and I'll see you again another time. Bye bye.